Hello everyone, this is Jack, of course. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I'm in a village here, actually in Shanghai. As far as Shanghai is concerned, your first impression is that Shanghai is a cosmopolitan metropolis, gigantic, huge, with a lot of skyscrapers, high-rises. But I've found a village here. I would like to show you a village, and you will see what a village is like in Shanghai. Okay, let's hit our road. Let's hit the road. And this is a little path which is leading to the village. The village is filled with a lot of double-decker or even three-decker houses. Let's go and check them. Wow. Yeah, every house is pretty good. And, if you have some extra rooms, you can rent it out and you can get some extra money by doing this. Let's check that slogan. Livable. Yeah, environment, livable. Ecology, livable. Environment, superb. Everyone is happy. Life is rich and beautiful. The neighbors can deal with each other well. Yeah, the slogans are pretty nice. We are on the road of running. Everyone is a dream seeker. Roll up your sleeves and work harder. Wow, very positive. So if you are pretty down and you can become more energetic and more hardworking after reading those slogans, and which can give you some inspirations and power, maybe. There's a fly catcher, so this equipment can catch some flies. A lot of flies have died inside of it. Maybe you can invent a piece of equipment catching the mosquitoes. Yeah. Mosquitoes are pretty nasty. I hate them very much. Wow. This village is pretty nice. That car is backing. Wow. There's a toilet, public toilet. Rubbish recycling site. That car is backing. I have to be very careful. So this driver is pretty professional. It has backed his car here. Pretty good. A small brook. And the water looks a little bit dark, a little bit unusual. And not very transparent, clear. But it's okay. There's a lot of small fish. I can see them. Wow, some houses are being rebuilt, are being reconstructed or redecorated. Very quiet. Yeah, I personally think those kind of houses are too near each other. No other, your personal space, I mean, you don't have the chance to plant any trees or grow any vegetables. Yeah, this is the disadvantage, maybe, of living here. But maybe because of the limitation of land, maybe. That is why. We don't have the extra space for any other developments. Too crowded. The guys are working here. This house is it's not finished yet. Yeah, it's a very swanky one. So they dry some clothes and socks here outdoor. Yeah, in China it's very normal. We put the clothing in the sun. We think the sunlight can kill the certain bacteria and the germs. Yeah, I personally think it's good. Even sometimes it looks a little bit ugly, and there's some underpants, you can say, underwears, even some bras, but we do that in China. It's very normal. Yeah, and this is the end of the path. Very quiet. I just met 2 construction workers and another few people here. Maybe it's a little bit hot. That is why people are staying inside. Yeah, I found a well. A well. Let's go and check that well. I haven't never seen a well in the city center of Shanghai. And let's go and have a look. Is that a well? Wow, indeed. It's a well, everyone. The water can be... Well, you can see me there. The reflection. Oh my God, this is crazy. Is that a well's water drinkable? Potable? Which one would you use? I think drinkable is okay. Drinking water. Drinkable. Potable. Well guys, if you like this video, give me a like. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye.